In this video, we are going to show you how to create a simple Instagram bot. Before we start, please make sure that you already connected your Instagram. If you want to learn how to do that, please watch the video up here. Alright, to get started, navigate to Flows. Add a flow. Choose Instagram as the message type. Once you are done with your flow, click Publish. Now, let's connect the flow to a keyword. Navigate to Automated Response. Choose short keywords. Create an expression. Connect it to the flow you created. Then click Save. Now, it's time to test. There you have it. We just created a simple Instagram bot. See you in the next video.